Hello, I'm Michael Martin, owner and broker in charge of the Lake Company on beautiful Lake Keowee in upstate South Carolina. Thank you for joining me for my March 2024 Lake Keowee video blog. This is my 169th Lake Keowee video blog. As always, I'm coming to you today from my personal residence, the White Farmhouse on the northern part of Lake Keowee that was built in 1884 and renovated in 2020. So let's go ahead and look at the first 60 days of activity here on Lake Keowee, okay? Let's go ahead and look at our active waterfront lots. We've got 69 active waterfront lots today. Last year, same time frame, first week of March, we had 64. We've sold 8 lots year to date. Last year, we had sold 16 lots. Our average list price is about $363,000. Last year was about $810,000. So you're going, wait a minute, what happened in 1 year for it to go up almost $500,000 or go down $500,000? I'll circle back to you in just a moment on that, okay? Our average sale price is about $342,000. Last year was $769,000 average sale price. Medium sale price is about $253,000. Average sale price to list price is about 91.9%. Last year was about 93.3%. Days on the market's 112. Last year was 153 days. So as I mentioned, our average list price this year was $363,000. Last year was about $810. Average sale price $342,000. Last year $769,000. We sold 16 lots, same time frame last year as I just mentioned them. 30% of those waterfront lots sold over at the landing at the cliffs, and they averaged $1.8 million and higher. So that really last year took those numbers on the very high end of the selling range, and that has what has caused our discrepancy between $769,000 average sale price last year to $349,000 this year. So that's the reason that's so far apart. But then again, we also have another 10 months to report, so those numbers will definitely come more closer together as we move into the end of 2024, okay? Let's go ahead and look at our active waterfront homes. We've got 36 active waterfront homes on the lake today, first week of March 2024. We had 53 last year and 18 the year before. We've sold 18 year to date. Last year we sold 17. Our average list price this year is $1,767,000. Last year was $1,862,000. Average sale price $1,676,000. Last year $1,793,000. Medium sale price $1,352,000. Last year $1,640,000. Sale price to list price is about 95.3%. Last year was about 96.5%. And in 2020, it was 98%. Days on the market, 111. Last year was 73 days. 2022, 34 days. Average cost per square foot, this year $448 a square. Last year, $437. 2022 is $403. So let's talk about let's break into the numbers a little bit more and talk about a couple of things here. We've got 36 active waterfront homes. When you go across the board and look, 6 of those are over 4 million. 5 of those are between 3 and 4 million. 6 of those are between 2 and 3 million. 11 are between 1 and 2 million, and 8 are under 1 million. Now, when we get under that 1 million mark, some of these, there's about 6 of them out there in that under 1 million mark that are questionable at best if you'd even want to buy or not, okay? If you took those 6 out of the 36, that only leaves us 30 active waterfront homes for sale on the lake with about 350 miles of dockable shoreline, okay? A couple other things I want to talk about. If you've noticed, average list price has gone down. Last year, as I mentioned, 1.862 million. This year, 1.76 million. So about $100,000 average drop in list price. Average sale price also went down from 1,793,000 last year to 1,676,000. So we got a little decline in our average list price and our average sale price from what we've had the past couple of years, okay? Also, sales price to list price, back in 2022, we're at 98%, which means about a 2% haircut on average off your list price to sell price. sell price to list price. Last year 96.5, so it dropped from 98, and this year is 95.3. So kind of at the height of that 22 era, we've gone down almost 2.7% in our list to sell price to list price average here on the lake. So we've got, we're seeing some declining numbers as we've gone into 2024, okay? Days on the market, also something to pay attention to. As mentioned, 34 days on the market in 2022, 73 last year, and we're up to 111 this year, okay? So we've got some indicators there that we're showing a little bit more wiggle room on pricing, negotiations, things like that as we're headed into 2024. Of course, we'll keep an eye on it as we go through the year because, like I said, we're still green. We're only 60 days into the market in 2024, okay? So just some numbers that we'll keep up with as we go along in 2024. And as always, feel free to reach out to me. I've been selling Keowee exclusively now this is my 23rd year, and this is all I do day in and day out. So feel free to reach out to me. Be more than happy to get back to you. Follow us on social media. Obviously, Facebook, we're posting stuff there all the time at the Lake Company, Twitter, things like that. So check us out there. But as always, feel free to reach out to me. Be more than happy to get back to you and give you up-to-date information, provide you any information if you're a seller or buyer, or what I can do to help you be successful in selling or buying your property in 2024, okay? Again, I'm Michael Martin, owner and broker in charge of the Lake Company here on beautiful Lake Keowee in upstate South Carolina. And I look forward to seeing you in April, and we'll give you the first quarter's numbers at that time. Thank you.